Good day, everyone. I am Samuel Josh Dar and this is ICT 10. For this video, I'll be tackling about the basic parts of the computer. But before we proceed, what is computer? Computer is a programmable machine that manipulates information or data. It can also store, retrieve, and process information or data. Now, let's explore the basic parts of the computer. System unit. The system unit is the core of the computer that contains the main internal components such as the motherboard, RAM, and hard drive. It is usually the rectangular box underneath your desk. Monitor. A monitor is a piece of computer hardware that displays the videographic information generated by a connected computer through the computer's video card. Mouse. A mouse is a hand-holding device that controls a cursor in a graphical user interface. A cursor is a movable arrow-like icon that can be seen on the computer screen. Keyboard. It is the main way to enter information or data into your computer. Speaker. Speakers are used to play sound. They can be built in the system unit or connected with cables. Printer. Printers are external hardware output device that takes an electronic data stored on a computer and it generates a hard copy of it. And that is all for the basic parts of the computer. I hope all of you learned something from this video. Once again, I am Samuel Josh Dar and this is ICT 10.